স্যার দেখা যাচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ দেখা যাচ্ছে।
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all. This is Taminul Islam. Today our presentation is nothing but a question, which is simulation blessing or curse? So this is not a debate. I will just stand with one side. So what is simulation? According to W.R. Fried's definition, simulation may be considered as a dynamic implementation of a model representing a physical or mathematical system. You are seeing in the right picture, it's a proposed model of a car which is presented visually by simulation. So it can have physical existence, or it has to be like this. So we can say that simulation is an accurate representation of a realistic situation. So simulation have a lots of field in this world. We have seen uses of simulation in medical science to get the actual feeling of operation before going to the real operation in medical science, and same for the driving a car and military practices, which are really very important for our world. And we have also seen uses of simulation in chemistry lab to get the actual feelings of hydrogen, atoms, electrons, and so many things. And the very important part is simulation is flight simulation, because no one can fly a plane before facing virtual environment, simulated environment. So it is very important in this world. So simulation is a thing which have a lots of advantage for our time limitation. I have picked up just 3 advantages here. It can avoid danger and loss of life. There are no chance of loss of life or falling in danger, because all are made with computer graphics and there have no physical existence. Number 2 is we can solve many critical problems by simulation. Where we cannot solve with physically, simulation can do it very easily. And the last thing is it is always changeable, which is the best advantage. It means that it is not fixed. We can change the model, we can change the environment anytime in simulation. So I have a short video for you all, so I hope you enjoy it.
ফায়ার এক্সটিংগুইশার দিয়ে আগুন নেভানোর নিয়ম। প্রথমে ফায়ার এক্সটিংগুইশারটি হাতে নিন, তারপর সেফটি পিনটি খুলে ফেলুন। এরপর হোস পাইপটি আগুনের দিকে তাক করুন এবং অপারেটিং লিভারে চাপুন।
So this is the real example of simulation. So by the simulation, you just know that you just learn that how to protect yourself or uses of fire extinguisher. So that's all about today's my presentation. So I just watched yesterday a very interesting video in TEDx given by Professor George Smoot. The title was "You Are a Simulation and Physics Can Prove It." So if you have any interest, then you can check it out. And the last thing is, everything have some disadvantages also, but at the end of the day, we have to use simulation for keeping forward our global world. So it's a blessing for our life. Thank you very much to everyone.